Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. Bring some floral print into your life with MLEBR. We just love the colors of this blouse. It is so pretty and you can wear it with many different outfits. We love that it's flowy, it doesn't cling to you, and it really is a blouse that can be dressed up or it can be casual. We do love the fact that you don't have to wear another t-shirt underneath it. It does not show any skin. It's not see-through. And look how beautiful the ruching is on these sleeves. Isn't it amazing? We do appreciate that the V-neck is not deep. It's very modest. And you can choose to tie it or leave it open. We absolutely love it. We highly recommend it. And that's our point of view.